If you've lost access to your CapCut account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover your account by following these steps. Step 1. Open CapCut app. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet to access the recovery options. Step 2. Go to Login screen. On the main screen, tap on the Login option. This will take you to the page where you can enter your account details. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login screen. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 4. Choose Email Recovery. When prompted, select the option to recover your account via email. Enter the email address associated with your CapCut account and submit the request. Step 5. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for a recovery email from CapCut. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password and regain access to your account. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to access your CapCut account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to CapCut's customer support for further assistance.